Now let us look at one more condition, right? So we did filter based on a categorical variable, but because we were trying to filter, we still use the double equal to operator. Then we filtered based on logical value. Now let us see how we can filter based on a numeric or integer data. Now here we are going to filter all those visits which came from mobile and at least browsed 5 pages on the website, right? So let us see how we can do that. Filter, name of the data set. Again, you put this condition, which is for visits from mobile, and we'll use the n underscore pages variable and use the greater than operator and specify the value 5. So this will be all those visits which came from mobile and at least browsed 6 pages, right? So you don't see anything less than 6 here. All of them are greater than 6, right? So you can filter data based on numeric or integer data. You can filter them based on logical values. You can filter them based on character data or categorical data, right? So this is just a quick glimpse. What I want you to do is I want you to go to the dplyr website, which is basically dplyr.tidyverse.org. We have added this link in the LMS as well, and I want you to take a look at the reference, right? Because there are other variations of the filter function as well, and I want you to try them out, right? So you can see a lot of functions here. So anyway, you would be coming to this website quite often to refer to the documentation, but I want you to come here, look at this function and see the variations and try them as well, right? Now let us come to our case study here and see how we can use the filter function. Now for our case study, since we are computing the average order value, we only need data related to purchases or those visits which actually resulted in a conversion, right? So these are two different definitions for the same outcome. We are looking at rows of data in which the purchase column has the value true, right? So for our case study, we will do this, which would be filter ecom and purchase, right? So this will filter out all those rows of data where the purchase column has the value true, right? Great. Now let us go to the next step.